What many people are reacting to right now is not just the verdict itself, it's how the trial was handled from start to finish. A UK-based human rights lawyer has come out strongly saying serious legal mistakes were made during the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. And according to him, the conduct of the judge, Justice James Omotosho, raises very serious questions. Now, this is not a small complaint. This is not a normal disagreement with a court decision. The lawyer is saying the process itself may have been deeply flawed, and that right there is why the story is spreading so fast. If you're following this breakdown, please like this video and subscribe, because stories like this don't stay quiet for long. The main issue people are talking about is how key moments in the trial were handled. At different times, Nnamdi Kanu was removed from the courtroom after disagreements with the judge. Later on, the court went ahead to deliver judgment without him being physically present. Supporters say this damaged the fairness of the process. Others argue the court was simply trying to maintain order, but this single action alone has divided public opinion, and it has fueled claims that the trial did not meet the highest legal standards. If this is helping you understand the story better, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss updates. Another issue now being raised is how the charges were treated. The lawyer claims that some of the accusations were linked to actions and broadcasts made outside Nigeria, and he's questioning whether the court fully addressed the legal limits of trying such matters locally. This has reopened big conversations about jurisdiction, due process, and how far national courts can go when cases involve international elements. For many people watching, this is no longer just about one man. It's about how justice works in sensitive and high-profile cases. Then came the life sentence handed down in November, and that intensified everything. To supporters of Kanu, the judgment confirmed their fears that the trial was unfair. To others, it was simply the law taking its course. But what truly raised temperature was the public accusation of judicial misconduct. That phrase carries weight because it suggests more than a mistake. It suggests behavior that could damage trust in the justice system. And that is why this allegation has drawn attention far beyond Nigeria. Please remember to like this video and subscribe, because developments can happen very fast. The lawyer insists these alleged errors should be reviewed by higher courts and judicial authorities. He believes an appeal is not just likely, but necessary. And because Nnamdi Kanu also holds British citizenship, international observers are watching closely. That alone adds pressure on Nigerian institutions to show transparency and fairness going forward. Public reaction has been intense. Some Nigerians are asking hard questions about judicial accountability. Others are warning against weakening the authority of the courts. Online discussions, street conversations, media debates all point to one thing. This case has become a symbol. It represents concerns about justice, national security, and human rights, all at the same time. Whether you agree with the judgment or not, many people feel the process itself deserves closer examination. As the story continues to unfold, what happens next will matter a lot. Will the appeal courts step in? Will there be an official review of the trial process? Or will the judgment stand as final? These are the questions everyone is watching closely. If you want to stay informed as this develops, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next update. What comes next may be even more important than what has already happened.